Ringphawon da ajui khamataya pauping MLA Khushum Vashumle Animal Husbandry in a vet color transport with Minister Ngapam Mihaira Jishut me Ning Mariao El Chimrele UDDWA na Felicitate Sami Haira NSCN IMI na NNBG's ngashik the Common Front Ringphawon NBF with President na Kasat Haira Nganada Claya relating a Saglegaja issued the Tangkhul Expressway Masak by Lehaukada Akamapao Mapong Mimara Kangaja Tang Tangwi Pao Kami Kanao Tangator Pongli Shit Naura Lake Yangator Aju the Tangkhul Expressway Pao Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidalay Pao Bing Maisa in Anganangrumsa State Cabinet Ministers Bingwi Portfolio Ngayar Mihaira MLA Khushum Vashumle Animal Husbandry in a Veterinary Department Color Transport Department with Minister Sang Sakhaira Yungnam Khemjan Singh Municipal Administration Housing and Urban Development Department in a Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department with Minister Pam Mihaira MLA Ledpao Haukipna Tribal Affairs and Hills Department in a Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Thandra, Dr. Sabam Ranjan Single Medical Health and Family Welfare Department Kala Publicity and Information Department Chisinhaira Leshang Them Susindro Mitena Public Health Engineering Department Kala Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Consumer Department with Minister Sahira Hekam Dinko Single Social Welfare Skill Labor Employment and Entrepreneurship Kala Fisheries Department Mihaira Education Department aina Law and Legislative Affairs Department with Minister Thonau Jam Pasanda Singh Sahaira Ukhrul District Teachers Welfare Association Udwana Jishut me Ning Mariao El Chimrele Felicitate Sami Haira Udwa we Annual Assembly Sada Chili Pond Felicitate Sakami Kasana Ning Mariao na Kahang ana National Award to Teachers Samkapang Maram Kamataya Katum Zanga Chia Standard 1 to 12 we Ochan Tamguchithe La Tamgukui Aragatar Pagshok by quartet number system Pagshok La English pronunciation Wivang sub-syllabus concept Sakami Hibing Hina Chishit me ping na Katamnao Pingli Ngaching Saksa Jiaka Ringphawon da Chishit me Khalatana Khangajay Dargasaya Gaji Hanga Tangkhul Ramli Khale worship Kaika Shim Matha Katamnao Laylala Chishit me Mapaima Maningaka Chishit me Paisalala Katamnao Makle Hikata Hilay Kalaji Ngaching Saksa Jiaka Itum Koka Kasa Dargasaya Mi Akamangna Kalika Maralak Mara Kajihi Ning Mariao El Chimrina Hanga Udwa we President Ungnao Shang Lona Kamutuli Gahang Karegum COVID Mimauna Sheikhu Haukada Magazi Paila Raka Haina Chidada Sada Ayawe Gazip Samkapangwi Ringapa Pongshoka Kala Jishut me Ning Mariao National Award to Teachers He Samkapangji Ishi Ukhrul Tangkhul Mai Khaya Laka Kala Jishut me Pingwi Alungli Mai Khaya Samkapang Laka the Udwa President Jina Hangsanga National Award to Teachers Samkapangwi Ringapa He Ning Mariao Mang Maningla Association Kotonga Mai Khayana the Ukhrul District ZDO Sunita na Hangsanga ADC Ukhrul CEO David Kashung na Kahang Itumi Ngale Semka Sajaka Wartam Maningla Apong Kangate Malay Lakmana Ngale Aka Sakashimanle Rai Kutlai Madarka Mana Ka Katam Kusha Zakshi Kahai Taran Sakashiman Ragi Kachina da Hanga Ava Pinkala Nangrale Katomsa Kachili Jishut me Pingwi Otmanga Kahaka Zanga Itumna Yari Panli Kangaje Kwirasa da Kalaina Ngalay Assembly Jishut me Pingwi Otmurut Hakmaikap da Kazangna Kachihi David Kashungna Kasatsanga Naka Chan Gazegwivang NSCN IMI na NNBG Sping Ngashik the Common Front Ringphawon Naka People's Front with President Shurhozili Lejetsuna Kasatsanghaira NBF President Shurhozili na Kahang Naka Chan Ngazegwi Kamataya Stakeholders NSCN IMI na NNBG's He Koka Sang Saklungra Chitha ka India Shorkarna Ngatay da Chan Kangazeg Malayli Marada Shurhozili na Hanga India Sarkarna NSCN IM li Chan Ngajek Mamanda NNBGs lila Chan Khangajek Leida NSCN IM nala framework agreement shoi sahira kala NNBGs li agreed position shoi sahidlai former Nagaland Chief Minister China Kahang group khani chiwi ngatei khangrok hai salaga Chan Ngajek wiwang khokasap lungra chitha ka Chan Ngajek twitak khami tharan India Sarkarna separate settlements malaimara da hangsanga Naka political Chan Ngajek we awareness meeting kwika haira Indo Naka Chan Ngajek chadak hlei maram thei thangming sakhawai da NSCN TPRN Zailat region aina Jadonang brigade Naga army na Aben Tausem subdivision Tamenglong le Achahon awareness program rungmi haira Rani Jili delegate Shakatumka da wazanga village chairman secretaries youth kathana ping Shanaulong kathana ping kala church kathana ping wazanga Mar Zimi Rongmei kala Lengmai tribes pingwe aina wazanga NC Hills Assam with Zimi Kachar area Assam with Rongmei Chiribam districts with Rongmei kai khala wazanga awareness kazib chili Naka political movement with Thojan Phejitheda how gopok we aina framework agreement rashung the way shoka hai kharjan hangchitheya Achahon India we interlocutor AK Mishra na Dimabuli ungda NSCN we council headquarter Hebron lila wazangda kharjan sa ka hai katha maramla phejithei haira kazib chili kazang bingna NSCN aina India Sarkar we alungle chadak le Indo Naka Chan Ngajek le kutomra NSCN General Secretary Chief Negotiator TH Muiwana Kathan alungle NSCN collective leadership le kutomra kala framework agreement athishuda Chan Ngajek he thakda kupsang khawai NSCN le India Sarkar lila pora kachi ta haira Indo Naka Chan Ngajek twitak katali Naka National Philan aina yezobola changkhawai li katomra solution chi Naka nauping wiwang inclusive honorable kala acceptable kasa ngasap lungra kachi hilila katomra kachi phongshok haira Northeast Regional Sports Week Kuman Lambak Sports Complex Imphali Samuhung Dilai Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav we akai akasada Manipur State Youth Affairs and Sports Department na Makok Milaga Northeastern Council na Fund Sakhamina Sports Week chi Rakhra Tarik Khani aina tangda sawara ngahan chili Northeast State Assam Arunachal Pradesh Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim Tripura kala host state Manipur we khangreu naw pingchang dalai Malaka Cup badminton boxing country thei kala table tennis hipping hi ngahan dalai Sports Week how gopok Rani Chili Chief Minister Biren Singh Wazangda ana Rani Chili Ningyang Khung Phongshoka Chief Minister Biren Nakahang Manipur we aina Olympians Tharada Chiko Arjuna awardees Maku Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award Kutum Dronacharya Award Akha Dhayan Jan Award Akha Padma Shri Award Tharuk Padma Bhushan Akha Padma Vibhushan Akha da Samphang Haira Kachihi Mayalak aina hanga Manipur we aina Olympic Games le medal kukhila sampang haira Asian Games le medalist Makada Thuruk Commonwealth Games le medalist Thumra sampang haina da Biren na hangsanga Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthojam na kahang Sports Rani Manipuli Kharung samgapang hi mahailaka kala hithada apong khami hi Manipur hi sports powerhouse na kachi mujud khami akhana da hang Minister Letpau Haukip Dr. Sapam Ranjan L Susindro Mete kala Hekam Dingo MLS Kaikha kala top officials ping sports person coaches ping lawazanga Digital technology platforms pingna yari we data khuida khlai maramle Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal na ningka kharik phongshok haira yari we kala mi ababu we data digital platforms le mi sangda khlai ji machichin phapha phlungmara cyber security kala data privacy wiwang mathada yangsam phlungra da minister china hang Maram hi Confederation of Indian Industry Global Unicorn Summit New Delhi li kagazib chile Minister Goyal na kahang India we consumer digital economy hi lupa 100 billion US dollar shikawi changli leidalai kala 2030 liva 800 billion US dollar market ngasa hauki kachina da Commerce and Industry Minister china hanga Startups we alunglila Shian Chikan Kushur kala corporate governance norms tatkhana lei phlungra da Minister china hanga Startups ecosystem le standards kala benchmarks leng sap lungra kachila minister china hangsanga Indian katamnao kai ko China le hanung sakhaura chi haira Chinese Foreign Minister spokesman Zhao Lijian na kahang katam kasuwiwang China le mahanung paila khalei Indian katamnao pingwiwang concern leida khalei chi China na saklak aina khuya COVID mimau na maram sada Beijing na visa kala flight restriction per haukada China le tam kasa India we richum nao pingtra ka jingkum khani shika shimli ungpan pam ka haina Chinese Foreign Minister spokesman Zhao Lijian na hangda Indian katamnao ping China le hanung khawai ot hapokhaira ara India wi shong aina katamnao ping we aming mi khara ngorai dale Reader we pau tha ka Indian katamnao thingmugada guthum 2019 khayon ka changwe aina China le mahan wa paila leida khaleina athum kuchung ka medical tam kasana katamnao mang maningla China le ot salaga pam kasa shimkhur pingla mahan wa paila leida khaleina India li Hindi tweet na khawai kala Northeast pami katam kashili Hindi jang phlungra kichi acha hon Home Minister na ngawau da chili mamya khangai phongsho khaira Karnataka Minister CM Ashwanarayan nala maram chili hangsang da Hindi hiwa link language na kala awisho carnival local atwi arana identity sada promote sara kichi hanga itum khalata we atwi arali leshingiya kha kate we atwi arali la khya shiphlungra kichi Karnataka Minister china hanga Ogutwiling ling chaili India we startup ecosystem na thakmai kap da haksang da leida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na hanga Rakra technology revolution hi India na thandra kala 5G we aina ragi kichi we ponglila investment raphok haira da hanga Prime Minister Narendra Modi na kahang India na semiconductors shichinda khlehi 2030 liva $110 billion ka haura chia scaling kala khanui thodli training khamilila India shokarna marlak aina invest sa da leida Prime Minister Modi na hanga Lodlu shida ajui kamataya pauping MLA Khushum Vashumle Animal Husbandry in vet kala transport with Minister Ngapam Mihaira Jishut me Ning Mariao El Chimrele UDDWA na Felicitate Sami Haira NSCN IM aina NNBG's ngashik the Common Front Kwirak Hawai NBF with President na kasat haira Achu pau henang chang haira pau ngana dak lai natum psycho rele ringapha kala khama haya jim show ngsa seranum